National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Blaine County in northwestern Oklahoma, western Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southwest of Loyal. Another strong storm was located southwest of Kingfisher. These storms were drifting east to northeast at 5 to 10 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations